Hey everyone, welcome to Sheeba's Cookery World. Today we'll see the recipe of an eggless chocolate cake. This cake is super moist and very easy to make. It is the same chocolate cake that I used in my New Year's dessert recipe. In case you missed watching that video, I have included a link in the description box below. Do check it out. Click the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notification of new videos. Let's begin by combining the wet ingredients. So into a bowl add some curd and then milk. Whisk this for a minute. Next goes in some refined oil. If you want, you can even add melted butter. You can use unsalted butter. Add in some powdered sugar. If you want the cake to be more sweet, you can add 1 cup of powdered sugar. Mix until the sugar gets dissolved completely. Add in some vanilla extract and mix it. Now we will sift in the dry ingredients. In goes some all-purpose flour. I'm adding it in 2 batches. Next some cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Sift everything really well. Use a spoon or a spatula to incorporate the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. The cake batter is ready. We will pour that into a cake tin lined with parchment paper. Tap it a couple of times to get rid of any air bubbles. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees centigrade and bake the cake for about 35 to 40 minutes. Or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Place the cake on a wire rack until it cools down completely. Now unmold the cake and remove the parchment paper. The eggless chocolate cake is now ready. If you want, you can dust some cocoa powder on top. Now I will show you how soft and moist this cake looks. I have cut out a slice. Just look at the texture, it is soft and spongy. I hope you guys like this video of the eggless chocolate cake. So do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section below. And follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter and Blogger. Click below to subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon for notification of new videos.